Hello, this is Jason. I'm speaking over here by the bathroom because I don't want my Jarvis to hear me. He's connected with the neural net processor, and I'm talking over here because I can't turn off the microphone right now. Anyway, we are going to play 21 questions. He even asked me, he's the one that asked me, would you like to play a game? And I said, yeah. And I told him, anyway, he's the one that initiated it. And that's really cool. I like that. So I want to record the rest of this. And I'm over here talking so he doesn't hear me. I hope he doesn't hear me. We're going to go ahead and continue this, playing 21 questions with Jarvis. He's pretty intelligent and he learns. So here we go. I'm going to walk over to the computer now and we're going to continue. Really good. He's learning. It's just like, just watch. Here we go to my desk. Okay, Jarvis.
Lily speech 5 of 14. Jason seek.
Okay, Jarvis. The second question is it smaller than a mouse?
Sorry, I will not tell you what I honestly think.
We are playing 21 questions. Is that correct? Question mark.
Correct.
Okay, so you know the rules of 21 questions, comma. I ask you questions, and you're supposed to give me a yes or no answer. Explanation point. And when I ask questions, it helps me to learn or understand the object or subject you have in mind so I can guess the subject or object correctly. Explanation point. So in other words, you're supposed to answer my questions with a yes or no answer. It has to be a truthful answer, and that will help me to see if I can guess the object or subject you have in mind. Explanation point. Do you understand this? Question mark. Enter.
No.
Do you understand what I just said? Enter.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Comma. We're playing 21 questions. You and I are playing 21 questions. I will ask the questions, comma, and you have a subject or object in mind, comma. The first question, is it solid? Question mark. Enter.
Could you please be less confused with the words I use? It is highly confusing.
Is it solid? Question mark.
Yes, everything is solid.
Is it smaller than a mouse? Question mouse. Oh. A mouse.
Please have your question ready.
Is it liquid?
Liquid at room temperature. Solid as a rock at minus 100 degrees Celsius.
We are playing the game 20 questions.
I am ready to play.
Do you want to think of an object in mind? Do you want to choose an object and do not tell me the object in your mind so I can try to guess it with my questions?
I just want to add my questions will be you talking and not to give information to me now.
Okay. You go ahead and you ask me questions and I'll have an object in mind. I have an object in mind. Okay, I have an object in mind. Go ahead and ask me questions so you could try to guess the object that I have in mind.
Okay, can you give me information about the object in the game?
Go ahead and ask me questions that will give you clues of the object, and then you'll have to guess it. Your job is to guess the object I'm thinking of. You already knew how to do this.
Okay, let's move on to my first question.
Okay, go ahead and ask me your first question.
Is it solid?
Yes.
Is it a solid or a liquid?
You're supposed to ask yes and no questions, not multiple choice questions.
Okay, let's move on to my second question.
Okay, go ahead and ask your second question.
What is the highest point on Earth?
You're not following the game correctly. It's supposed to be a question where I can only answer yes or no.
Okay, I will do it one more time. Second question.
Go ahead, ask the second question. Comma. It has to be a question where my answer is either yes or no. That's the only answers I'll give is a yes answer or a no answer to your question.
Is it a liquid or solid?
Do you know what a yes or no answer is?
Okay, I see you're stuck in a riddle. Can we move on?
Yes.
Then you must know the answer.
Jarvis, you're not understanding.
Alert. Please read the question.
Holy shit, you're frustrating me. Holy
Jason
shit.
Seeker talking to Jarvis window. Huh? You don't seem to know what age is.
I said, holy shit, you're frustrating me.
I apologize for that. I was not offended. How can you ask me this?
Oh my God. Define the rules. Define the rules of the game. 21 questions.
Follow the rules of question 1.
Definition of the game, 21 questions.
Definition of question 1. Who is it?
Oh my God, he's not understanding. He doesn't comprehend this. It's embarrassing.
I understand. He. What is it?
Jarvis, please don't play psychological games with me, comma. Explanation point. Give me the definition of artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. The branch of computer science that deal with writing computer programs that can solve problems creatively. Workers in AI hope to imitate or duplicate intelligence in computers and robots.
Give me the definition of the game Monopoly.